Thousands of people have bought Ted's Woodworking, but is it actually worth it, or just another overhyped DIY product? A scroll through any woodworking forum or social media group will likely bring up a familiar name, Ted's Woodworking. It is a product that has been around for what feels like an eternity in internet years. Thousands upon thousands of aspiring and seasoned woodworkers have clicked the buy button. They were drawn in by the promise of an immense library of plans. It claims to have 16,000 designs. That number alone is enough to make anyone's head spin. The question that echoes through workshops and online discussions remains persistent. In the year 2026, with so many other resources available, is this massive collection still worth your hard-earned money? The answer is not as simple as a yes or a no. It requires a closer look. This essay will serve as your guide. We will peel back the layers of marketing and get to the core of the product. We are not here to sell you anything. We are here to provide a fair and balanced look at what you get. We will examine the promises made and compare them to the reality experienced by actual users. Think of this as a pre-purchase inspection. We will kick the tires. We will look under the hood. We want to help you decide if this digital bundle is a valuable addition to your workshop or just digital clutter that will gather dust on your hard drive. This is the unvarnished truth about Ted's Woodworking in 2026, demystifying the digital package. What exactly is Ted's Woodworking? At its heart, Ted's Woodworking is a digital product. It's a massive collection of woodworking plans and related guides. The central claim, over 16,000 distinct project plans. When you buy it, you don't get physical books or blueprints in the mail. Instead, you gain access to a member area to download many files. Files usually come compressed as zip archives. The idea, overwhelming content for a single, one-time fee. That differs from magazines and websites that require ongoing subscriptions. The seller, often presented as Ted McGrath, frames it as a complete solution for any woodworking enthusiast. Marketing says you will never need to buy another plan. Plans claim to cover every conceivable project, from a simple birdhouse to a complex garden shed. The package often includes bonus materials, CAD plan viewer guides to starting a woodworking business, and collections of woodworking tips and tricks. The core offering remains the vast database of project plans, a digital warehouse of ideas waiting to be built. Unpacking the toolbox. What do you actually get inside this massive collection? When you complete your purchase and gain access to the members area, the download process begins. Member area dashboard, download progress bar. What you are downloading is a collection of files, primarily in PDF format. Each PDF typically represents a single woodworking plan. A good plan includes a detailed drawing or diagram of the finished project. View, front, view, side, view, top. A complete materials list, type and quantity of wood, screws, glue, finishing products. It is your shopping list for the hardware store. A crucial part of any plan is the cutting list. This list tells you the exact dimensions for each piece of wood you need to cut. Example: 4 legs, 29 inches long from a 2x4 board. Many plans within the Ted's Woodworking collection include these essential lists. The better plans also provide step-by-step assembly instructions. These instructions guide you through putting the cut pieces together. They might be accompanied by photographs or exploded diagrams that show how everything fits. One common bonus is a DWG or CAD plan viewer. The most significant selling point of Ted's Woodworking is without a doubt its sheer staggering variety. The collection aims to be an all-encompassing resource for virtually any project a woodworker might dream of. The plans are generally sorted into categories, making the massive library somewhat navigable. You can browse through sections dedicated to different types of projects. This allows you to focus your search on what you are interested in building at any given moment. The breadth of categories is truly impressive, covering everything from indoor furniture, large outdoor structures, small workshop jigs. For the home, you will find a huge number of furniture plans: dining tables, coffee tables, beds of all sizes, various styles of chairs, bookcases, entertainment centers, storage cabinets, computer desks, gun cabinets, cribs, toy boxes, rustic farmhouse, modern minimalist. If you need to furnish a room or an entire house, the library likely contains multiple options for every single piece of furniture you would need. The collection also extends well beyond the walls of your house. There is a substantial section for outdoor projects, small tool sheds, larger garden workshops, gazebos, pergolas, and decks, plus plenty of smaller outdoor builds, from picnic tables and Adirondacks to planters, coops, swing sets, and playhouses. This is perhaps the most important question for anyone new to woodworking. The marketing for Ted's Woodworking claims the plans are hold you by the hand simple. It implies a complete novice can pick any plan and build it successfully. The reality is more nuanced. The collection is a mixed bag for beginner friendliness. The difficulty is not consistent across 16,000 plans. Some plans are genuinely simple and clear. They can be well suited for someone just starting with basic tools. These are the gems a beginner should seek out. A good beginner-friendly plan has very clear, large diagrams and written, step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Cut the 4-leg pieces to 18 inches each. Step 2. Sand all the cut edges until they are smooth. But a significant portion are older scans that may have blurry diagrams or faded, hard-to-read text. Some are just a single drawing with dimensions, no step-by-step text. They assume you already know operations like cutting a dado or making a mortise and tenon. For a true beginner, those plans are essentially useless, like getting a map with no legend or road names. This is the beginner's hurdle. You must act as your own quality control filter. Do not pick a project at random. Open the plan and assess. Are there clear instructions? Are diagrams readable? Does it require tools or techniques you do not have? If not, put the plan aside and find a simpler one. For beginners needing structured, guaranteed, clear guidance, this process can be discouraging. No product is perfect, and Ted's Woodworking is certainly no exception. Pros: huge variety, time-saving starting points, low cost per plan for prolific builders. On the positive side, the sheer volume of plans stands out. For a single relatively low price, you get a massive library. If you do not like the first 10 designs, there are probably 30 more. It is powerful for brainstorming and inspiration. It can save time versus designing from scratch. Even imperfect plans serve as solid starting points to modify. For prolific builders, cost per plan becomes very low. On the negative side, inconsistent quality is the most common complaint. User reviews mention this repeatedly. The collection is not curated. Brilliant detailed plans sit right alongside old, blurry, and incomplete ones. There is bloat in the form of duplicate plans, and some very low-value designs. You have to sift through a lot of digital chaff to find the wheat. You cannot trust every plan implicitly. Review before buying materials or cutting. Another major con is the lack of dedicated support. You are largely on your own. Lifetime support often just means ongoing access to downloads, not personal help. The size itself can cause analysis paralysis, especially with chaotic organization. Poor file naming and sorting make it a chore to find what you want. By the end, you should have a clear picture to judge for your specific needs. So, we come to the final cut. After examining the package, the plans, and the common feedback, is Ted's Woodworking worth the money in 2026? The most honest answer is, it depends entirely on who you are as a woodworker. This product is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Its value hinges on your skills, your patience, and your expectations. There is no simple yes or no that applies to everyone. Instead, define who will find value, and who should look elsewhere. Best for an intermediate hobbyist. Someone who understands fundamentals, can read a plan, operate tools safely, and fill in missing details. They enjoy a vast idea library, and are patient enough to sort the good from the bad. For them, the one-time fee yields a lifetime of ideas at very low cost per plan. It is a treasure trove for the self-sufficient builder. Conversely, it is a poor choice for complete beginners who need guidance and support. In 2026, beginners are better served by free, high-quality YouTube tutorials or a structured online course. Those resources provide the hand-holding and confidence building a giant database cannot. Final verdict: Ted's Woodworking is not a scam, but it is not the magic bullet it is marketed as. Think of it as a sprawling flea market of plans. Gems exist, but you must dig through junk to find them. If you are patient and experienced, it can be endless inspiration for a fair price. If you are a total beginner, invest your money and time in modern, structured, supportive platforms. Make your choice based on an honest assessment of your own skills and needs. Check the link in the description for more information and woodworking resources. Please like and subscribe for more DIY woodworking tips, home improvement ideas, and honest product reviews. The internet of 2026 is a vastly different place than it was when this product first launched. High-quality video tutorials are available for free on platforms like YouTube, Skilled makers share their designs and processes daily. Subscription services offer curated high-definition courses with active communities and support. So, where does a one-time purchase of a giant plan database fit in? Does its sheer volume outweigh the targeted, polished content of its competitors? Or has its time passed, making it a relic of a bygone digital era? That is what we are here to figure out. Let us get to work. We will break down what the package contains. We will talk about the types of projects you can expect to find inside. We will assess how friendly these plans are for someone just starting their woodworking journey. We will lay out the good points and the bad points side by side. We will also touch on the common complaints that have followed this product for years. By the end, you should have a very clear picture. You will be able to judge for yourself if this is the right tool for your goals as a woodworker. Ted's Woodworking Review, Woodworking Plans, DIY Woodworking, Woodworking for Beginners, Shed Plans, Woodworking Projects, Honest Review, DIY Furniture Plans, Woodworking Guide 2026. Please like and subscribe for more DIY woodworking tips, home improvement ideas, and honest product reviews.